Good morning all of you. Today I am going to solve exercise 2A of chapter 2 addition. Question number 1. Add each of the following. Part A question of question 1. Addition. Once adding ones place 4 plus 2. 4 2 6. We write 6 3 3 6. We write 6 2 4 6 1 3 4 1 2 3. B part of question A. Adding ones place, adding tens place, adding hundred place, adding thousand place, adding 10,000 place. So we start from right. 8 plus 0, 8, adding 9 and 0, 9, adding 3 and 0, 3, adding 4 and 0, 4, adding 5 and 2, 5 to 7. C part of question A. Adding ones place 8 and 0, 8, 5 to 7, 1 7 8, 7 6, 7 6 13, 13, 13, 1 3 13, write 3 and 1 carry, 1 carry 2,000 place, to 10,000 place, 1 1 2 2 1 3, 8 and 0, 8, 5 2 7, 1 7 8, 7 6 13, 1 3 13, write 3 and 1 carry to the 10,000 place, 1 carry to 10,000 place, 1 1 2 2 1 3. D part. Adding ones place 5 and 6, 11, 11, 11, write 1 here and 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 4 5, 5 7, 12, write 2 here, 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 3 4, 4 1 5, 1 1 2, 2 7 9, 3 1 4. E part of question 1. Adding ones place 3 6 9, 0 and 2, adding 0 and 2, 2, adding 9 and 3, 9 3 12, write 2 here, 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 4 5, 5 7 12, write 2 here, 1 carry, 1 7 8, 8 1 9. Part F. Question 1. Adding ones place 5 and 0, 5, adding tens place 7 7 14, write 4, carry 1, 1 6 7, 7 7 14, write 4, 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 7 8, 8 7 15, write 5, 1 carry, 1 carry, 1 9 10, 10 2 12. G part of question 1. Adding ones place. 8 9 17 17, right 7 and 1 carry. 1 6 7 7 7 14, 1 carry. 1 3 4 4 9 13, right 3, 1 carry. 1 1 2 2 3 5, 2 1 3. H part of question 1. Adding ones place. 5 8 5 8, 13 13, right 3, 1 carry. 1 3 4 4 9 13, right 3, 1 carry. 1 7 8 8 7 15, right 5, 1 carry. 1 2 3 3 1 4, 1 2 3. I of question 1. Adding ones 4 and 5. Adding 4 and 5. 4 5 9. Adding 3 and 6. 3 6 9. 0 plus 3 3. 0 plus 7 7. 9 1 10. Right 0. 1 carry. 1 carry. 1 7 8 8 1 9. J part of question 1. Adding ones place. 4 2 6, 5 2 7, 6 7 6 7 13, 3 carry. 1 1 7 8 8 7 15, right 5, 1 carry. 1 1 2 2 1 3, 2 1 3. Part K of question 1. Adding ones place. 6 and 0 6, 7 7 14, 1 carry. 1 8 9 9 8 17, right 7, 1 carry. 1 0 1 1 0 1, 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 1, we get 1 9 9. L part of 1. Adding ones place. 1 7 8. Adding tens place. 2 plus 9 11, right 1 carry. 1 1 4 5 5 6 11, right 1 1 carry. 1 9 1 0 1 1 9 10 10, right 0 and 1 carry. 1 5 6 6 1 7 7. Write the missing numbers in the spaces provided. Ones place. 9 8 9. 1 adding ones place. Write the missing number. Write the missing numbers in the spaces provided. Missing number in the circle. Write 9 in the circle to make 9 plus 9 18. 9 plus 9 18, right 8, 1 carry. 1 4 5 5 5 7, 5 plus 7 to make 12, 12, write 2, 1 carry, 1 3 4 4 1 5, 4 1 5, 2 3 5, write 2 in the circle, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, write 2 in the circle because 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 1 1 2, 9, write 9 in the circle because 9 plus 9 18, write 8, 1 carry, 1 4 5, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 12 because 5 plus 7 12, so that write 7 in the circle, carry 1 1 4 5 5 7 12, 1 carry, 1 3 4 4 1 5, write 2 in the circle, 2 3 5 1 1 2. B part, 9 circle, we have to fill the circle, write 5 in the circle, 5 plus 9 14, 5 plus 9 14, so write 5 in the circle because 5 plus 9 equal to 14, write 4 and carry 1, 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, write 8, write 8 in the circle, 8 1 9, 8 1 9 because 8 plus 1 9, so that write 8 in the circle, 0 1 1 0 1 1, write 3 in the circle to make 3 plus 4 7, write 3 in the circle to make 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 1 1 in circle 4, write the 3 in the circle, write 3 in the circle, 1 3 4 2 2. C part, 5 4 3 2 1 3 4, circle 6, circle 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 2 9 3, circle 9 circle plus 3 circle 2. Write 9 here. Write 9 in the circle because 9 plus 3 12. 12 carry 1 1 1 2 2 circle 9 2 7 9 2 7 9 2 circle 3 2 1. Write 1 in the circle because 2 plus 1 3 3 6 9 4 circle 9 4 circle 9. Write 5 4 9 5 4 9. Okay students.